Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share and I hope that you will join me. I picked up some mini ornaments and I picked up the rose gold one. Look at that, how cute. I have the glittered one and I have the shiny one. And I picked up two each. And I would like to save these for Valentine. It'll come in handy for Valentine projects. And then I also picked up some felt ornaments. Well, they're called ornaments, but they're made out of felt. And you get 12 in each package. I got the snowman. The gingerbread is a foam, but you still get 12. And I got the tree, which is also 12. And the stocking. So these are, it says 0.08 yards. Okay. So let me open this. I want to take a look right quick. Here we go. I did pick up two packages each of the shapes. So here's the snowman one, and you can punch out the eyes, the nose, and the buttons. Look at that. How cute. And then it's a nice stiff felt on that one. And then here's the tree. Again, you can pop these out here. Well, you get a little garland that goes through here, and then some round ones like here for the ornaments. Look at that, how cute. Okay, that one doesn't come out. Oh, here we go. Look at this one. This one, just about done. Well, you get the idea, right? You see what it looks like? Cute. And then here's the stocking one. This is very similar to the tiny one that they usually carry. Look at this one. See? I like them. And they're nice, thick felt. And then for the gingerbread, it is a foam. And it is very thin. Look at that. It's quite flimsy. And you'll probably have to maybe double it just to get a bit of some sort of stiffness in there so it doesn't just flop over. But yeah, I like these. The last items I picked up are these felt ornament kit. It is a jumbo gingerbread guy. Look at this. How cute is he? So it is 15 inches long, and you get this kit with it to decorate your gingerbread if you want. And I did pick up two of these. I like it. And the felt is quite stiff also, so which is a good thing, right? These ornaments over here are 7 to 8 inches, so just so you're aware. But they're really cute. I like them. I'm quite happy with them. I am looking forward to working with these shapes right here. I will be making something very cute out of these. Well, thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.